Hello everyone, welcome back to English for All, the YouTube channel run by KDUTs or practitioners. Today, I will not be doing an English lesson for you, but I will be introducing you to a tool called Padlet, an online teaching and learning tool that allows you to share content with a group of students at once and let them see the content at the same time. That gives you the chance to edit and give feedback in an online forum. I will show you how to make a Padlet account and to make a Padlet wall. So without further ado, let's get into it. First, you will have to go to padlet.com. Once you are in padlet.com, you can see on the top right corner, sign up and log in. If you are a first-time user, you should go to sign up. In sign up, you can use your Google account, Microsoft account, or you can sign up with Apple, or just use your email. As I have an account already made, I will log in. And on login, here I will use Google. Once you are logged in and created your account, you can see your name over here and recent Padlets. As I have made one Padlet before, it shows over here. If you haven't made anything, this place will be empty. So, to start a Padlet, you can see on the top corner here, make a Padlet. When you click on it, you can see different formats, such as the most common Padlet wall, canvas, which looks like a mind map, timeline that has the timeline feature on it, grid, stream, and maps. I will show you the most common one, how to make a Padlet wall. Once you click on Padlet wall, it will take you to an interface that looks like this. Here on the right side, you can see different settings. You can add a title to your Padlet. Let's go with weather conditions, and you can make and you can give a description. I'm going to give a question over here. What are the different weather conditions you know? And you click done. Then you can give an icon, let's say a cloud. Or this the one with the sun, and click on save. You can change the appearance with wallpaper. And when you scroll down, you can see you have different colors, different gradients, textures and patterns, as well as sceneries. Or at the bottom, you can see you can upload your own image, you can use your camera, you can do all sorts of things. For now, let me just pick something simple. Let's take these mountains. Okay. Next, you can see you can change the color schemes, the font, or the post size. Here on the layout, group post by section. Once you click on it, you can see that it changes automatically to sections, but I usually like to turn it off, so it's more random that way. Posting, author and timestamp. If you click this one on, your students will need to have an account of their own in order to post something, because it requires the name. So I recommend not to have this author and timestamp on, because if you are just going to send the link to your students, it will be somewhat troublesome to create accounts. I will just ask them to type their name once they post it. I will always have the comments on, because this is one of the best features of Padlet, where you can ask your students to give each other comments, which is a good way to give peer feedback. And I will also have reactions on. I will turn on the likes You can also have votes, stars, and grades. And let's click on save. Alright, so that's the basic setup. Let's create a Padlet. So on the bottom right corner, you can see a pen. It says we can add a post. So I will click on it and I will type, let's say Sunny, and we can also upload documents. We can take photos, links, and as well as audio record. We can do a lot of things if you get used to it, and you can also teach your learners to do it as well. I will just upload a picture, let's say Sunny. So this picture looks nice. Okay, I will type it is sunny and warm in this pic. Okay, so I will type my name at the end so they will know it was me. If you are not going to have an account, it is better to ask your students to type their name, and we can change the colors. I will go for green and click on publish. This is how it's going to look once a lot of students post their Padlets. So you can add comments. You can easily make this into a vocabulary or writing activity where students have to post, they have to give comments to each other, they have to rate each other, so as well as error checking. And I will show you how to share this. Once you click here the share button, you can see the easiest way is to share by copying the link and sharing with your students to messages or LMS. You can also get the QR code and download it or share it with your students. And one other cool feature you can see is slideshows. So once you click on slideshows, you can see the posts are automatically set up as a slideshow. If you have more posts, you will have more slides. Then let's look at it again. When you scroll down more, you can see export. Under export, you can see save as an image and save as a PDF. This way, even if you delete this Padlet later on, you can keep your work and your students' work in an image format or a PDF format. Let's click on PDF. So pick page style for your PDF, it says, and you can click on different formats and page sizes. I will just go with this one. Publish PDF, and here you can see it is very nicely set up. If you have more Padlets, more posts, it will come as different pages and you can download it over here. And the image will look like this. You just have to save it to your computer and it will be saved as a picture image. And this is a great way to have an e-portfolio for your students, and you can share it with the class. If we go back to Padlet.com, you can see the new Padlet I created is just over here, and this is my old one. But you should know that Padlet only allows 3 free Padlets at once, so I recommend you delete old ones and save your Padlets as PDFs or images, or you can subscribe to Padlet to a monthly or yearly fee. Thank you for joining today. I hope you find this helpful.